Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in this video we have this question where we are given three triangles. If you see, first triangle is this ADE. If you see this triangle, right? Another triangle is AGF, this triangle, right? And third triangle is this, the biggest one, okay, ABC. And what do we need to do? We need to find out the height of this triangle. That means we need to find out this height, right? Okay, from A to this BC, right? We need to find this height. Okay, if we look at this triangle, I will first write only first triangle ADE. If you look at this triangle ADE here, and if I say this is height H of this triangle ADE, right, and the base is 3, right? Okay, now on the same way you see this second triangle as well, and that is AGF, right? AGF. And if you see height of this triangle here, it is bigger than, if this height I am saying H and this I know it is given, it is 1, right? So that means height of this triangle is H plus 1 and the base is what? Base is 5. If you see both these both triangle are similar. So we can write triangle ADE is similar to triangle AGF, right? So if we see that we have two similar triangles, but what do we need to find? We need to find this whole, like H plus 2, because this is also 1. It is given that this side is 1. So this is 1, this is 1. And if we just calculate H, we can actually figure out the height. If I say this point is M and we need to find AM, right? AM is equal to H plus 2, right? So the main motive is to find out this height H. Okay, and we know now these two triangles are similar, right? If these two triangles are similar, I can say H by 3 is equal to H plus 1 by 5, right? Okay, so that means if I solve it, cross multiply, 5 times H is equal to this 3 times H plus 3, which is, if I subtract 3H from both sides, I will get 2H is equal to 3 and H is equal to 3.3 by 2. That is H is equal to 1.5, right? If H is 1.5, what is height? HM is equal to 1.5 plus 2, that is equal to 3.5, right? Okay, and this is how we get the height of this triangle. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.